In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Roberts Bluetooth speaker. This is a Beacon 330. Now on this particular one, it doesn't actually seem to get rid of the Bluetooth settings, so we're going to have to do that on the phone, but it does turn the speaker off. So right now the speaker is connected to my phone and you can see it's on. To hit the reset button, it's just under here and there's a tiny little hole and it just says reset just here, and we have a little pin here to put in. You can use like a paper clip or something. I'm just using this little pin. It has to go quite a long way in, goes all the way to there, so it's got to go in this much before it hits it. And there's a little clickable button, and when you press that button it will turn the speaker off. So I'm pressing it now and then I'm going to let go. So it's a physical button that you can actually feel, and if you have a look now, can you see that it's turned itself off from here? Also, it's disconnected itself from here because clearly this has turned itself off. But if I was to turn this back on now, it will still connect to here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to the settings next to where it says Beacon 330, and I'm going to go to unpair. And now basically if I was to turn this on again, it won't be paired to my phone. So, and the speaker is also reset. So you might want to reset the device if you're having faults with it, or possibly if you're going to give it away to someone. Thanks for watching.